Okay, they are here.
Madam, why will you allow his classmates to punch him on his face?
Mr. Man, calm down. You said punch. Do you know what is punch? This is punch. Your brother punched this man's son on his eye.
You could not tell me say you black person.
I want explain give you now. Let me explain finish. Wasabi. I thought we supposed to settle for us. Look at me, come back.
Hey, young man. Are you his uncle? Actually, I'm his uncle, but let me call his father.
What's up, my people? On a day, it's your boy OBIKIng, and welcome back again to another episode of what I do best, comedy reaction. So, my people, this is going to be very short, so I enjoy you guys to watch to the very end. Subscribe, it is very important. You understand? Subscribe, drop nice comments, and do not forget to share. So, don't play. Let's go have some fun.
The banana. Tell them you.
Throw banana, give one.
Oh, soldier is dead and gone to his grave.
Next!
Just wait.
Come here. Come here. Come here. Say, you see your mate. I didn't know see your mate.
But I thought you all have that though. But when you reach you put on, you call on small.
Come, if I slap of this, you go vomit Kopiko. Now every day I go to teach you how to see something. Come here, Thaedoboy.
What's going on here?
This is playing.
What? Aladi. What did they do?
So I say what I do.
So what did they teach them for you? You know concern you.
She dey rap people now.
They teach person something I dey here. Now what is supposed to teach us with this? What is no brother supposed to teach us with this? I be made with the look. All this small stick.
So now what is supposed to do? Now you they do so.
Okay, man, I dey look like Balo. Me, I no tear. Me, I just dey look. Me, I no put something for body.
Oh, I mean, I don't know.
I want to see it.
I found to Balo. What you want to do? Go sit down for bag. I want to sample. Who's happy? I'm on me. I go sample you.
I could have killed a lot. I'm telling you. Look at my face. Like I could have killed a lot of people.
Why are you going to teach children how to steal?
See me for the call. Maybe we be alive. You should be saying
They do now. You go reach your phone now.
no, and I'm supposed to go first. I said, go where I be. Why you going to put more people?
I don't hear. We are go. Hey! Go.
They will catch this one.
If I mean, I watch my sister.
Okay.
I mean, I watch her. She go do her much. You know, say she be professional.
Are you whining yourself?
What do you want to do?
They don't catch you.
Boss, I come buy something for you and I no fight trouble.
Aminu! Come.
Hey! Hey, well.
I myself, now my boss. My boss dead.
Hey.
You whining me.
They don't catch you. Oh, there. This one's all wrong, come on.
Let's do the call.
Dissolve!
5 years of madness.
Why you close my eyes now?
I love my waiting. Surprise. Settings.
What?
A
I got
bench.
you a car.
Give me a car.
Yes, I got you a car.
This.
Yes.
Babe.
Babe, what are you doing?
Babe, I want to call my mechanic and check.
Oh no, you don't need that. This is a GLE 350 2018 model. I got it from the best plug, Manga Autos. It sells the best and affordable.
Advert.
So you bought me this car from Manga.
Yes, I got it for you.
Babe, you are lying.
Suffer day, oh. Poverty, no good, oh. Say, nobody go tell you what I want.
Make I match up.
I'm like, use blue full on.
Hey.
He needs some milk.
That guy be the dream.
Hey, my friend, what is the meaning of this rubbish now? Are you blind? Can't you see you are blocking my entrance? Oh, God, say me, you know first. Why you call the shots? Oh, God, carry your back and get out of my side. Are you mad? Well, you don't make me person. Don't provoke me. When are they hot to get money reach me?
You are very stupid.
You are bad.
You are very stupid.
Look at this wretched man. I will feed you and your family for 2 years and nothing will shake me. Okay, get that! Madman everywhere.
You know me before.
He come back again.
Okay, good day, sir.
Yeah, good day. Who are you?
Okay, you don't know me again?
No.
Now the bike man where you say you go feed him family for 2 years. Okay, now my family with this.
He even carry dog come.
I beg, we have our flats. Okay,
Wow. He bring a
my
come.
Pikin won't be this. We have our own.
I don't understand.
Papa, this one no go reach me. Oh.
You hear him?
You don't get sense. Solo, you don't get sense.
What's going on here?
Good afternoon, sir.
Madam, good afternoon.
I'm a parade.
Yeah? Is it today Halloween? Who is this?
Daddy, I don't know how. She said she wants to see you.
Please, hope there's no problem. Who are you?
My name is Flora, aka Floxy Florendo. And I say, honorable, fully formed female adult. I cannot sit down with my eyes and watch a young one fall into fire.
I think I understand you, but please, who is the small child and where is the fire?
I don't need to find out. This is a small Pikin here now. This is your daughter there where they pele.
Madam, don't insult me. I'm not a child, please. Do you know how old I am?
What do you concern? You're still a baby. You're a small Pikin. What do you mean? How old are you?
Yeah, take your time. What do you want now? What is it?
This is your daughter that you are. In fact,
Let's have it.
What does she do?
sugar daddy.
Ha!
How many fathers do you have?
Just you.
Tell them out. You have a sugar daddy.
You get sugar daddy.
You don't swallow toad. You know if you talk again. I knew that she was going to deny it. That is why, number one, I came with my evidences.
Wow. I have already evidence.
You have evidence.
I have evidences, yeah.
Are you serious?
You wanna saw this?
Let me see.
Where do they want this one? Who is this one? I'm a parade.
You.
You are good. Don't worry. You go cry.
Don't see evidence.
What's going on here?
Madam, take. Look at that video. That's me.
Hey.
Oh, Nana, I see the K leg. Nana, it's nice. If I didn't saw your K leg, still they find chance they change this your clothes now. Only one lion they see for bush.
Na bow leg the guy get.
Come and insult me, Abby.
Me? God forbid that I will insult you.
No problem, I leave my compound.
Okay, you sure? You know this?
Madam, they
You
go.
go now, they go.
Why are you stressing my life? For Christ's sake?
For daddy,
Let's have it.
she's right too. You're always wearing the same clothes all the time. Are you Merlin?
Are you Merlin?
In a land
Even
of
Merlin
myth
said
and
they
a
changed
time of
clothes.
magic, the destiny of
Of
a great kingdom rests on the shoulders of a young boy. His name...
Do you know with just 1,000 naira you can win a free international passport?
Here they see what the federal government they give us. Officer, there is a robbery going on now in my estate. Calm down. Wait here. I saw two men and they're inside the house trying to rob. Yeah, they carry gun. Yes, like I said, they're heavily armed. Anyway, where that gun go with this police office? Nah, gun don't knock them. See what's gonna happen. Just they go. Officer, we have to go there now to.
He said just they go with the
see that the lives and property of the citizens. Wait till talk.
Hey. DPO Amuneke. DPO Amuneke.
You tell him there. People will inside there. Something. They are in something. Arrange what exactly? They are in insecurity.
I'm coming.
Go. When he come, will you go come?
It's a smoky boy.
Hey, wait, now house that they rob myself. My daughter. Now house that they rob myself. You there for office there now?
Let's watch this video.
Voila.
I have some 1 or 2 things to tell you. Let's watch this video.
Umbrella boy.
Which kind of wahala be this? Which kind of problem be this?
Kirikou, what do you do for Abba this time now? We never close for school now. Why you there?
Uncle, Satia for school.
So Tiapu for school. You suppose they say they come out to Tiapu for school.
That boy slapped me.
One boy slap you.
Yes.
Small boy slap you. Where your principal dey?
They did for school.
They call a person slap you. Go dey go your school. Carry your bag, go dey go your school.
Uncle, what not explain?
Nothing wey you want explain. Your principal na go explain to me.
Wait, may I explain though?
Why don't go allow person slap you? More they go.
Wait, may I explain though? You better respect yourself.
Please calm down, please.
Where's the boy?
Please, just calm down. Okay, they are here.
Madam, why will you allow his classmates to punch him on his face?
Mr. Man, calm down. You said punch. Do you know what is punch? This is punch. Your brother punched this man's son on his eye.
You could not tell me say you black person.
I want to explain, give you now, let me explain finish. Over Sabi, I thought we were supposed to settle for us. Look at me, come back.
Hey, young man. Are you his uncle?
Actually, I'm his uncle, but let me call his father.
No need. When you get to our barrack, you call his father there.
If you talk man to man, as man to man, let's reason.
Are you normal? You bloody civilian want to talk to a military personnel? Listen, when you get to our barracks, I will have to remove your eyes to replace my son's eyes. Now move! Yo. Hey!
Papa God,
I want to see that with you though.
Can I invite you to my house?
I thought I already have a boyfriend.
Both of you can come. Life no hard, no, they make it hard. Give me my mic.
Bro, even me myself that
They
shock.
make life difficult.
Even me myself that shock.
So both of you can come.
You don't know why
Can you
it's going
imagine?
on.
But I just want to talk.
Before people will come here.
Baba, good afternoon.
Come on for there. Come and be passing shrine.
Just 3 seconds, we'll never carry life. You know.
Don't be like that, they open and zoom. Open and like, hey. Oh, man.
Your money is 300,000. Buy your drinks, yeah? You know that's how they sell them. Motel still there.
No be help, I won't help you.
Ask for your help.
Who take her, who take her, who take her? You say,
Don't buy a market.
Princess. Princess.
Did I tell you my name is Princess?
MC. I don't see your name of Princess, but I just want to draw your attention.
Okay, what's it?
Alright. Firstly, what's your name?
Let's start from what's your own name?
Okay. Actually, my name is Yash. My friends is when they shut down places, they go club, they do things, they come in Yash money. When I put the come out, can you like free come?
Okay, I'll take her. How can I help you?
Okay, see. Anytime you pass it like this, they steal my attention. So I can't say today I must catch your attention, even if I'm not be police.
It's so funny. You stay around here?
Yes, I live around that house.
Okay, that house there?
Yeah.
Okay. I stay with my parents down the street there. We just go back from Canada, not quite long.
You just go back from Canada?
Yeah.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Yeah.
So, I'll take her. What do you want?
Actually, I just want you to give me your number, like this movie they connect based on 1 or 2 now.
My number?
Yes, now.
Just give me yours then.
Give me a number.
Yeah.
You see, the thing we say, I just buy this my SIM card new, so I don't know the number offered.
It's fine. Bring your phone.
Okay, now, now. Take it.
Viewers, let's watch this video.
And I'll call you later. Eh?
No, call me now.
I said I'll call you when I reach house now.
Call me so I can save up your number on my phone.
MC, network not there yet. But when I reach out, network will be my side. I'll call you.
You don't get credit.
Call me, I'll just forget about it.
Why you dey ask like this now?
Call me now.
One man.
See, you get money where they expect the money don't come. If I reach out, I'll buy card. I'll call you.
It's fine. Just call your number for me. Let me just send you card.
You don't get credit.
You want to reach out for me?
Yeah.
You don't forget say I don't know my number offered.
Oh, sorry, I forgot.
Alright, now I'll call you later. Eh?
No, just call your account number then.
I call my account number for you. Oh yeah, nah.
Okay.
218 44.
Carry down for it.
Which bank?
Take us back.
Take us back.
Thanks.
Yeah, no blast.
Yeah.
Okay, me I confirm.
Blast.
I'm thinking you send me so.
Yeah, just buy the card and use the rest for your food stuff.
Come on, let's see if it's fair, cool. Yeah, this expectation very good ability.
It's fine, Oteka, no problem.
All right now.
You didn't ask me for my name again.
Oh, see, no worry, I'll save as my helper.
Talkless.
Talkless.
This man.
Talkless. Chama.
Talkless.
Hey boss. Now you come out.
Me and my babe won't go flex for side town.
Hello.
Okay.
Hello.
So now that's how they come.
Hope say we are good.
No problem, sir. You know, beginning of this year, you say you go celebrate my birthday for me this year.
Who play? Your birthday. Today na your birthday?
No, sir. Tomorrow.
Tomorrow?
Aji.
Things not too balanced for me this period.
I understand, Chama. Now so it be for everybody. Say, even now money you give me, you know bad. Now see celebration.
Okay. Hey, babe, when is your birthday?
Let's have it.
My birthday is next 2 months.
October, Abby?
Yes.
28.
Yes. Don't tell me you've forgotten.
I'm so sorry about that.
The struggle.
Talkless.
Chama.
I want to celebrate you and my babe birthday together. As money no day this period, so by then funds go not in my hand. You know understand?
One man Pikin.
Like, may I postpone my birthday?
That kind of thing. But what you go happen be say, you know go wear this clothes come. You know understand? You go wear better clothes. I want to take you and my babe go out, both cruise for that matter.
I believe in my Chama.
You don't get issue.
I go tell my papa and my mama, say no be tomorrow, they bomb me again.
What did be this? I like this your pack of clothes if at all. See your spec.
You know what? Like Chama, you know say that today be your birthday, and you say me I come today, maybe if you do my own self together.
Oh, continue. Me and my babe will not dig and don't break up with her.
This is playing.
Chama, babe, what talk?
I said me and my babe will not break up. That was like 2 weeks ago now.
Just 2 weeks.
2 weeks.
The fight still fresh. Now I go help you beggar.
I say sit down. Say me and the babe will not break up. I get new babe now like this one at the date.
You never see anything.
No. And now I'm birthday they come.
Babe, how you doing, my love? I'm good. How you doing? Meet my friend. Talkless.
Hello. Hi. This one get well.
This one fine well now. Hello, babe. I want to ask you one question.
Okay.
When is your birthday?
Let's have it.
Oh, December. It's still far now. It's still far. I don't do my own this year. Until next year March, now I go do my own. I'll call you back, please.
Yes, it happen like that sometimes. And this way I put self, it just make everything easy. You go to spend today. Just give me money, I just go my house.
No, I'm not too balanced, God. Not too balanced. Take this 500. Now 500 more today.
What be this?
$500.
This one. 500 naira.
Does it be this one?
She said I play.
Wait till I 500 naira do after I don't patient for 2 months.
You go manage them.
Yeah, my boss will bring. This 500 naira. You know if you buy fattest boom for patient dog. Yeah, imagine me patient to my being.
I be go wait till December, man. Celebrate you and my second baby birthday together.
Are you?
I don't agree.
Talkless, where you go now?
I go inside your fridge. We celebrate something.
What do you want to celebrate again?
Don't worry. We go celebrate when I break up today.
Farouk, you fast bring those things down. Now listen to me. Yet I want you out of my house. Farouk, bring those things down. Who's your baby? See this guy, yo. Who's your baby? Come on, shut up. Pack this and get out.
This guy be this babe.
This to me. Your family are already did this to me. People are already saying it down. And even you two want to be true. Please, now what do you want me to do?
I will learn. Give me a baby instead. Why are you calling me baby? Get out.
Just be patient. God's time is the best.
I wish. Out of my house. Chato, come on, pick these things and get out. I said pick these things. Farouk will bring the rest. Farouk, too fast. What nonsense? No. I'm not joking yet. I'm not joking yet. I want you out of this house. What nonsense? Don't do. Dear baby. Baby has out. This guy man. This man, my guy be this now. This man cannot do anything. I'm man.
Okay, they shout, they say, make the woman give you pikin, make the woman give you pikin.
Is she God that gonna give herself Pikin? For 5 years, not for 9 vigil. Nothing. Okay, she no God. Okay, why you not the follow her go the night vigil? Only her go the go night vigil. Did they go the night vigil with her? Why do you think she's the one that have the problem? What if the problem now you? What if you are smart now water? What if you are manchengo and sumo like in the rich seconds? What if you are the problem? Okay, you are telling me I'm not man enough. Are you insulting me? Men should not always blame the woman. Men should not always leave it. Why that everybody fruits of the womb? What are fruits of the sapphire? Fruits of the sapphire. Why not go there? Okay, I do try her with another man. Try her. Let me try her. You are waiting for me, Mabi.
Where you enter inside? Can you imagine? But be like, so this thing no finish. Oh. Why not come finish? Now, wow, Nedu. Oh. But sense there for this thing where you talk of. Most guys, it's always about fruit of the womb. Woman no one get belly. And if you ask them to go check themselves, they're not going to go check themselves. Now, you they say woman come out. Nedu can't give you advice. May you go try. You can't say may you not go try. May the woman they go back inside. Hey, these guys anyways, thanks for watching. I really appreciate you guys. I really appreciate for always watching and sticking to the very end. Thank you very, very much. You said. So for people who are coming across for the very first time, you see what you they miss. Now the best are always they giving us. So make sure you're always sticking around. Make sure you always check out my other videos. There's so many of them. You see the ones that will pop up on your screen as well. You can click them, So subscribe, drop comments, Tell me your favorite part of the video. Share this video. It's very important. Share to your WhatsApp status, your Facebook, your Instagram, everywhere. Just share and they go. You understand? Share. And see you in the next one. Peace and love.